Your Bissell little green machine is not as powerful as you think it should be. The suction isn't great. Here's a couple things that you can try that I've been testing with my green machine here. So first of all, I've taken the headpiece off, and what I can do here is just, so you've got the intake here, and then you're also going to lose some here around the side. So what you want to do is just kind of barely wrap some fingers around it here, and then put your thumb over it. And you want to do it light enough so that if you were to let go of the handle here, it would just fall out of your hand, and then you want to turn it on here. And see how it kind of stuck to my hand there until it was out of suction, then it fell there. So it should have enough suction to do that. We're going to do a suction test here with 4 cups of water, but another thing really quick, this right here, if this is not completely shut and sealed with this gasket here, you will lose suction as well. So see that with that on? It sticks. As soon as I flipped that open, it lost suction immediately and fell out of my hand, and you can actually hear it here. So listen to the sound difference. So check that first. And then there is one more gasket down here beneath. Now I've noticed that this one doesn't make as much of a deal or as big of a change. So if this gasket is not proper as well, sometimes these get really old, dry, even if your machine's not that old, this piece could still be dry and broken down along with this piece as well. So depending on the model, how long it was stored, where it was stored, you know, these pieces could actually wear out. So first of all, check that. Check your suction again, just like I showed you there. And then the final test you can do here is this suction test. So this is 4 cups of water. So I'm going to do a suction test here. So I'm just going to push this or place the head of the vacuum or machine here in there. And then I'm going to turn it on and start the stopwatch at the same time. We'll see how long it takes to clear out this bowl of water. So there you go. It was basically very empty at about 4 to 6 seconds, and then about 10 seconds I was able to completely empty it. Give that a try, and if you're still having issues with suction, you're just gonna have to go through the hose, look through the entire hose and make sure there's no holes inside of the hose itself. You might be losing suction there, and you also might have an obstruction. So something might be in the hose. The thing that you could do there is try to get some type of snake or long flexible pipe that you could put through there to go ahead and see if there's something in the actual hose itself. Aside from that, that's the best I can do. At that point, if none of that works, then you might have a mechanical issue, something else going on with your machine. But check all that stuff. Of course, make sure that everything is locked in place, pressed in place. There's really no locks on these because they just kind of set down in place. But make sure that everything is down, secure, shut, and that you're not just obviously losing suction anywhere there. So again, make sure that that piece is down and check that gasket that I showed you. So hopefully that helps. Bissell Little Green Machine. If you want more troubleshooting things, check out some of the other videos I made. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.